Welcome to Backyard Plinking. My name's Charles, and I'll be your host as we go through and explore everything BB and pellet related, from air pistols to air rifles, targets, and ammo. Yes, another shirt. Apparently, I created a monster. I asked her to make me a shirt. She kept going. You know why I'm wearing this one? Because I forgot to do something. She said, every time you forget, you're going to wear another shirt. So, I forgot. Anyway, what we're going to look at today is a classic from Daisy, somewhere around 1914. Model 25 pump. Now, this one is pretty cool. It etchings, on the receiver. This one has either a buckhorn, or if you fold it all the way up, a peep sight that you can look through. And when you take it out of the box, you will have to dot the front sight because it's blacked out and you just see nothing, especially through the peep sight. Kind of like the buckhorn myself. To load it, back in the old days, there was a lever you'd move around, the BBs would go in, and you'd kind of have to maneuver it like you've seen some of the other stuff. I like this change. This one, you actually pull the barrel out. See a little pull down rod, you pull it down, you lock it into place, hole up at the top, you pour the BBs in there, release it, they're in play, good to go. So let's put this back down in there. Always be careful, don't tear up nothing. Screw it back into place. Another difference between this one and the one in 1914, cross bolt safety, because they have to. Nice little wood stock on the end of it. It's not too heavy. A little different. If you're not used to pump action stuff, whether it's a shotgun or whatever, it's going to be a little strange for you. Let's take a couple of shots with it. The other good thing about having it the way you load it, the way the magazine is in there, you don't have to turn it up to make sure that you get a BB loaded. Doesn't matter which way you point it, it's always going to be there. Doesn't shoot bad. It's just that weird motion that you're not used to with getting the pump down, because it's you have to make sure and keep your hands out of the way too, because when it comes down, it moves everything out of the way, including you. Let's see. Better. Nope. Just came out of the box. Hadn't had a chance to really get out here and mess with it a little bit, but I want to show it to you guys. It's really neat. It's nostalgic. Somewhere around the $49 range. You can actually find these things on a shelf at your favorite retailer or a sporting goods store, but it's really spotty. I mean, you have to remember that I'm in a outside of a major city in Florida. I mean, we've got a lot of options here. Maybe you guys don't, but you can get these things from Daisy. If you go to daisyoutdoors.com and order yourself one. But this thing is, it's actually pretty cool. Really nostalgic. Shoots pretty good. We'll have to get it out and put it through some exercises. But once again, I just want to kind of show this thing to you and maybe give you an idea for Christmas. How about that? Dink. Anyway, till next time, my name is Charles. It's been Backyard Blinking. Wonder how many more shirts he's got in there.